Hi and welcome to another episode of our Lego reviews. In this episode we're going to look at 3 games that we bought as a bundle on eBay, and it was £30 for all 3. So we've got 3837, which is Monster 4, 5003, which is Batman, and 3866, which is Star Wars. Now we are aware that the Monster 4 was missing the instructions because that's how we bought it, no instructions. But we have managed to source the instructions separately on eBay, and they were £2.25. So I think the first one we're going to look at is Monster 4. So I'll put these two to one side and we'll do a separate video for those ones. So we've got Monster 4, 2 to 4 players, 7+, and it's 15 to 20 minute game. Now, so we've got rules. So we've got a separate book for rules. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, so let's have a look what we've got in the box. Oh, so that looks like the board game that's already built. So we need to check that off against the instructions to make sure we've got everything. We've got some players or counters. So dice. What's this one? A spider. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 boards. Let's just move that so you can see. A few random pieces, which I'm guessing are spares unless the instructions tell us otherwise. So let's have a look at these instructions. I've got to open these carefully. So let's go down the typical, not cutting that off, enough off there. There we are. Didn't want to cut through them. Go. It says rules, that's the same as that one. Oh, and there's the instructions. So we've now got 2 rule books. And there's the instructions. Okay. So what do we have here? So we've got, that must be those 2. So there's 4 of those and 2 of those. And then we have the brown going through the middle. That looks right. So 2 smaller pieces, the brown, that looks right. So the base looks like what we've got. So if I look at the back, then we've got the brown running through the middle. So that's all good so far. Let's fold that over so we can have a so that's the 4 pieces there and the 4 there. So it's those 4 and those 4. And then we've got the next 4. It's looking good so far. And then they're all capped off with the 1s. Okay. That's those. Those 2 there. I think we've got our ones, I think, are all black. We're missing the white. Oh, is that... Do we have any of those white pieces? I think these are all counters, but we'll have a look. Right, so I think we're missing 4 white little funnels. There. Okay. Ah, no. We're not there. White. Okay, so is that these ones? Yes. Okay. So let's put those on there. What's those for? Right, so that's these. So we should have 4 green. Does it matter which one they go on? Yes, it looks like green and orange are on the lighter ones, and red and brown are on the darker ones. So green and orange. That's 1, 2, 3. Put the 4th on. One's fallen off. And we said the orange ones, didn't we? So here's the orange. So there's your green and your orange. Then we need to do red and brown on these 2. So let's move those ones. It's the red ones and the brown. Okay, so we've done that one. And then we've got a spider. So that's there. Those 2 piece on top. that looks like everything is complete. So these pieces are spare. So we don't need these pieces, but they'll come in handy on another set, I'm sure. So let's pop those away and get rid of those. Right, so we now have our instruction manual. We've got 2 sets of rules. And then we've got the game, the dice, so our counters, and the spider. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you've played this game, leave a comment and let us know what you think about it. Join us next time for the Batman. So this is 5003 Lego Batman.